Hi, this is Liberty with Before and Afters, and I'm going to show you how to make some simple stickers with just your Cricut. You will not need a printer to make these. So, to start, you're going to want to look in Images, by clicking the Image button, and search for Labels or Label. This will bring up some different shapes, and you can choose one that you like. And we're going to make this white. The next thing you want to do is add some text. So you can write whatever you want here. You could also add a shape. I'm going to paste something that I already have. I already have a heart and some text here. I'm going to turn it around. And it's already close to the size I want. Now I'm going to change the color. It's already pen. And I want to make it pink for the heart. And then for the words, I'm going to make it a green color, turquoise. So now you see I have two colors here. So it will ask me to change my pen color twice when I make this with the Cricut. Now I'm going to select all of this and attach it so that it writes on my label. So I'll attach that. And now it's 3 inches. I might want to make it a little smaller, a little bigger. Now I'm going to duplicate that. So I'm going to come over here and I'll just duplicate it however many I think I can fit on a page. And then line them up. So my page is 8.5 by 11 on my sticker paper. So in reality, I don't even need to line these up because when I go to make it, it's going to put them all in order for me. Just like that. Okay, so this is good. It's not bigger than 8, and my page is going to be 11. I maybe could fit 2 more on there, except they didn't think so. They put my others on the next page. So that's fine. Alright, now all I need to do is hook it up to my Cricut Maker, and it will draw with the pen and cut out my shapes.